Hi, I'm Apurva from ClearTax. Heard of Virtual Payment Address (VPA) but not sure what it is? Here I am today to give you details about Virtual Payment Address. We are all familiar with Unified Payment Interface, that is UPI, as it is the trending payment method among individuals for bill payments, merchant payments, and money transfer. The primary reason for the popularity of UPI is that the transactions can be done free of charge. Not everyone is comfortable sharing their bank account details with just anyone due to the fear of financial frauds. This concern is just addressed right with the concept of virtual payment address, where the transactions can be completed without the sender knowing the bank account details of the receiver. So, what is VPA? A virtual payment address (VPA) is a unique identifier that helps UPI to track a person's account. It acts as an ID independent of your bank account number and other details. VPA can be used to make and request payments through a UPI-enabled app. How do VPA transactions work? When you install a UPI app, you will be prompted to create a UPI ID to be used for all your future transactions. A VPA can be anything ranging from your name, the first half of your email ID, or even your mobile number. This is to make sure that you do not forget your UPI ID when required. You can use VPA to log into your UPI app. Further, linking your VPA to your bank account is mandatory before initiating any UPI transactions. Also, make sure that the mobile number registered with your bank account is the same as the one registered with your UPI app. You need not fill bank account details repeatedly to make multiple payments. In order to initiate a payment, all you have to do is select the Pay with VPA option, enter the recipient's VPA, enter the amount to be sent and remarks if any, and hit the Send button. When you make a send or request money transaction through a UPI app, you have to enter a UPI PIN to validate the transaction. This step is mandatory to confirm that an authorized person is making the transaction. Now, let us understand the advantages of using VPA. You can transact with any account registered with the mobile number. You can use a single VPA and track down all the transactions conveniently in a single place. You can track the status of past transactions. Instead of orally reminding for a payment, you can send a payment request by entering the target VPA, the amount, and the reason for the payment. The target party has to just accept your request and authorize the payment for you to receive the sum in your account instantly. Visit our website for more information about UPI transactions and related topics. Do like and share my video if you think the video was informative. Also, subscribe to ClearTax channel and hit the bell button to receive notifications of our latest videos. Thank you.